Welcome to the National Institute of Academics. What is mercantilism? Mercantilism is an economic theory and practice that was prevalent in Europe from the 16th to the 18th centuries. It is often associated with the rise of nation-states and the colonial empires that European powers established during this period. Core principles of mercantilism: wealth as power. Mercantilists believed that a nation's strength and wealth were directly tied to the amount of precious metals, like gold and silver, that it could accumulate. The more wealth a country had, the more powerful it was considered. Trade surplus. Mercantilism emphasized maintaining a positive balance of trade. This means a country should export more than it imports, thereby bringing more money into the country than it sends out. The excess of exports over imports was seen as a way to accumulate gold and silver. Government intervention. The government played a crucial role in the economy under mercantilism. It would implement policies such as tariffs, taxes on imports, subsidies, financial support for certain industries, and navigation acts that restricted trade to ensure that the nation maintained a trade surplus. Colonialism. Mercantilism was closely linked with colonial expansion. Colonies were viewed as sources of raw materials that could be sent back to the mother country, where they would be turned into manufactured goods and sold at a profit. Colonies also served as markets for the mother country's goods, ensuring that wealth flowed back to the mother country. Economic practices under mercantilism. Protectionism. Mercantilist policies were highly protectionist. High tariffs were placed on imported goods to discourage imports and protect domestic industries. This was intended to help local producers and keep the money within the country. Monopolies. Governments often granted monopolies to specific companies, especially in key industries like the spice trade or the production of textiles. These monopolies were sometimes given to a single company that had exclusive rights to trade in a particular region or produce a specific product. Regulation of production. Mercantilist states regulated the production of goods to ensure that exports were of high quality and could compete in international markets. This often involved strict controls over the types of goods produced and the methods of production.